Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create poll on Messenger. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So I am going to create a poll like this one. So first of all I am clicking on this four dot here and now pause, and here you can create a text. Also you can most likely to. So I am going to create a text from here, and here you have to write your horse, your poll button. So I am leaving here. So here is our update of question, and in this add option here I am going to making an option yes. So I am scrolling down and here I will get another option. I am giving here no. Now I am clicking on create poll, and here we can see you created a poll. Do you like play football? And answer is yes no. And from here people can easily vote their opinion, submit. This is the way how you can create poll on Messenger. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.